If we talk about you, you're out. Impossible Edition. Right now, if you're standing up, you're out.
If you have braces on right now, you're out.
But don't worry, double to the screen right now for an extra life and some extra luck, and you can stay playing the game. Here we go. Right now, when you press and hold down on the comment button, select an emoji that pops up. If you chose this emoji, I'm sorry, you're out.
Right now, if you're wearing anything from PacSun, you're out.
Right now, when you tap the share button, scroll over, select more, and if the third app to appear is the reminder app, I'm sorry, you're out.
If your name starts with a T, you're out.
Right now, when you hit the red plus button, what color ring shows up around my profile picture? If you set the color green, unfortunately, you're out. Moving on.
If you eat hot dogs plain without anything on them, you're out.